Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can add the auto captions into your video. So let's see how we can blur the video. Now simply we need to click on the video, and after clicking on the video, as you can see, has the blur option. So we have to click on the blur option, and after clicking on the blur option, as you can see, the by default blur is none. So if you want to select this, there are some blur types. These are the 4 blur types. Like this one is the best. If you want to see this, or if you want to increase the blur, you can also do that. If you want to decrease this, it's up to you. So for example, I'm going to increase this. It will look like this. If you want to decrease this, it's up to you that how much you want the blur. For example, I'm going to select this one, which is called horizontal. If you want to increase this, again it's up to you. And now it has a vertical one. If you want to increase this or decrease this, again it's up to you that what you want. And the last one is radioactive. So if you want to increase this, you can also do that, or if you want to decrease this, you can also do that. It's up to you that how much you want. And after doing it, as you can see, simply you need to cut this option. So basically what I'm going to do, I don't want the blur, so I'm going to click on this. You have to select that, and then simply you have to hit this, and the blur will be like this. So I'm going to back again, and now I'm going to select the none, and the video will be back to normal. So in this way you can add the blur into video. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can add a blur in your video in VN editor. So see you guys in the next video.